I'm Sawyer. I stand on results, real trades, real income and properties. Weekly more than 50,000 boxes is my normal. In Telegram I share free strategy work, practice and my personal signals. Join my community and message me. Build results worth standing on.
Traps have one goal: make you act emotionally. They show power, then vanish. I let them burn out before commenting. Real direction doesn't scream, it builds. Silence exposes the truth.
We found a good entry point right away. We can see the CCI indicator exiting the oversold zone. Let me show you this. From this local minimum, the CCI moves upward, confirming the exit from the oversold area. Here we have a strong point of contact and a clear price pullback, which gives us a good setup. After this pullback and the information of a new local low, we open a trade again in the direction of the trend. You can already see the result. Everything is simple. Trade with the trend, and that's the rule we always follow when trading on the OTC market. This approach consistently brings positive results.
Trading looks simple in videos, but in reality it's a lot harder. That's why I host free practice sessions where I personally show people how real strategies work, step by step, in living trading conditions. Inside my Telegram channel you will also get access to daily signals, a powerful strategy, and even a VIP group for serious traders. Click the link below and join the free practice session right now.
Once again, the trade closes in profit.
I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you are already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible. I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy, because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice.
Here we are opening two trades for a downward movement, following the main trend direction. I believe a pullback should occur here. Let's highlight the working area. Along the trend line we can see a strong point of contact. Right where both trades were open, we can clearly observe a price pullback, and logically in this zone, a new local high should form. At the same time, the CCI indicator shows a strong exit from the overbought zone, so it's reasonable to expect a downward move. We can see the candle bodies spacing out, confirming that the pullback is underway. The final seconds of our trades are ticking, and both positions close in profit without any problems.
Speed on 1 minute can scare or serve you. For me, it's opportunity in motion. The faster it moves, the cleaner the intent. If you understand the tempo, you stay ahead. Volatility becomes your tool, not your enemy. Most people think trading is just about signals, but that's not how real progress happens. I run live sessions where I personally guide people through real strategies and show how to apply them in practice. You can join the free strategy practice inside my Telegram, get daily trading signals, and even access the VIP group for advanced setups. Hit the link below and start your free strategy practice today.